Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. If this is your first time to the channel, I'm Art.
I'm Dana.
Today we are going to do an unboxing and an install of some sort, as we are going to actually be adding the Husky Weatherbeater floor liners to my mom and dad's 2021 Subaru Forester. Now, they live out in the Midwest, so they have all different types of elements, and the stock OEM carpet floor mats, they're not going to last.
Nobody wants carpet in the Midwest.
No, you really don't. So we want to try to really help save their investment. So this was a gift that we purchased for them. And I have Husky floor liners in our 4Runner, and it's been in there for about 2 years and seen about every element that we could throw at it, and have been incredibly happy with it. But you have the competition in your Subaru Forester.
I do. I have the alternative to Husky. I have Weathertech in my 2010 Forester, which I do love. I absolutely love my Weathertech. They do everything that I need to do, and it sounds like with all of the boxes, when you run the comparison, Husky Weatherbeaters really are comparable.
Yeah, absolutely. They are fantastic, both from a price point stand and as well as just the ability of them lasting through everything. They are made in the USA, which is fantastic. They have a lifetime warranty, which is fantastic. And regardless of what we've thrown at the 4Runner, we've pulled them out, we've washed them off. If they were really heavily soiled, we took some soap and a scrub brush to them, and bam, they looked great. So these right here actually come as a full set, both the front as well as the full rear piece. So we'll go ahead and open this up now. These are all molded to fit your specific vehicle.
Ow.
Yes.
Spiky.
And the little spikes on the bottom are very sharp to hold it there in place.
So this is the back.
As the full one-piece rear floor liner that actually goes over the hump, which is great. All right. So, you ready to quickly add these to the vehicle?
Sure.
Let's make it happen.
Sure, Captain. Put those in the back. Now, since this one is all one piece, it just kind of slides in both sides at the same time. All right, there you go. And again, I'm seeing the same issue with it bowing up a little bit, but over time, that'll sink down and fit nice. It goes right over this hump, so it protects this hump nicely from all the dog fur, animal fur, or dirt, any passenger you may have riding in the middle. Okay, so on the driver's side, we've encountered a small problem, which is entirely fixable. So all the new driver's floor mats, they have little holes to hold the floor mat in place to prevent it from bunching up by the pedals. So in the Subaru, it's this bar here in the floorboard with pins that stick up to hold the floor mat in place. The Husky floor liner that we received did not have the holes punched entirely out to fit these pins. So we have to widen the holes. So as you can see with our test fitment, what we did was we went ahead and widened one side and not the other. So this is how it came from the factory. Very narrow, very small, definitely not big enough to fit right off the bat. So what we found is a nice sized screwdriver. We're just gonna jam it in there and opening it up. If I can get it in there. Without hurting myself. see if that's good enough. And you'll also notice that the floor liner for Husky covers much more real estate than the OEM original carpet. So you want to vacuum it out before you leave this in place long term. Oh, there we go. One down. And no, that's not going to fit. Now we finally have it installed. What we found when we put the driver's side in is that the pre-pricked holes, not only were they not big enough, but they also were not aligned with the Subaru OEM pins that hold the floor mat in place. We actually had to take a blade, a box cutter, and slice this opening a little bit more so that both pins will fit through the holes. Once we've done that, you can see it's a near perfect fit.
Okay, so with these, what, 4 out of 5 stars?
I'd give them 4 out of 5 stars out of the box, simply because they didn't fit perfectly. We had to modify it.
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed in that. Based on those that we have in the 4Runner, it's perfect. And these, just in the molding, must not have completely finished on that actual piece of it. But nothing crazy that we had to do to it to modify it to get to fit. A lot easier to do that than sit there and spend the time to send these products back and then wait for them to send it back and hope that it was actually fixed. So it's not going anywhere. We're very happy with the overall fitment of it. So now they can go out, get ready to be wintertime. Here in Illinois, that means snow and mud and rain, so it's perfect timing.
Drift weather.
Definitely not for them. Anyway, thanks everybody for joining us for this episode. Hope this helped you out if you were looking for the floor liners for your 2021 Forester. Until next time, stay safe, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.